Unpacking inspection. Remove the fixing cable tie. Open the fixing lock. Open the cover. Take out the filling sponge. This is DTF film. This is the accessories package. Take out the printer. Open the sealed bag. Check if the exterior of the machine is intact. Open the accessories package and check the accessories. Take out the DTF film. Peel off the protective film. Open the top cover. Peel off the protective film. Take out the filling sponge. Insert the power cord and data cable. Install the cutter platform. Start installing the film paper. Unscrew the screws. The screws on the right side should also be taken off. DTF film holder. The numbers on the brackets need to correspond. Install the screws to fix the bracket. The installation position of the right bracket must also be correct. Installation completed. Open the film paper package. First, install the plug at one end of the film paper rod. Pass through the middle of the film paper. Install the plug to fix it. Tighten the screws to secure the film paper. Insert the printer power cord. Insert the adapter. Connect the printer data cable to the computer. Turn on the printer. Put the film paper on the bracket. Make sure the direction of the arrow is correct. Push the film paper inward. While pushing the film paper from the back, press the paper feeding button on the front, and the film paper will move out. Installation is complete. Thank you for watching.